Hi everyone, welcome back to Master English. I'm Eric. Thanks for being here today. In this lesson we'll cover the P sound from our International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA consonant sounds. First, we'll go over our vocabulary for this lesson, and then we'll practice sentences using these words. Be sure to like and subscribe. And let's get started. Please repeat after me. Pan, party, pass, peach, pen, pencil, pet, pick, pig, pipe. Now, let's try some sentences. The first word is pan. Number 1. I used the pan to fry the eggs. Number 2. The pan is hot, so be careful. Number 3. She cleaned the pan after cooking. The next word is party. Number 1. We're having a party this weekend. Number 2. He invited all his friends to the party. Number 3. The party was a huge success. Next is pass. Number 1. I will pass you the salt. Number 2. He wants to pass the test with high marks. Number 3. They decided to pass on the invitation. Next up is peach. Number 1. I love eating a juicy peach. Number 2. The peach is ripe and sweet. Number 3. She made a peach pie for dessert. Great. The last word in this set is pen. Number 1. I can't find my pen. Number 2. He wrote the letter with a pen. Number 3. Please pass me the pen. Great work, you did it. Let's go over the vocabulary one more time. Pan, party, pass, peach, pen, pencil, pet, pick, pig, pipe. Excellent. Great job. You're on your way to becoming a native speaker. Be sure to check out our videos, books, social media, and the Master English Patreon page for exclusive content. The links can be found in the description as well as lesson notes for this video. Be sure to check those out as well. This is Eric with Master English, signing off until next time. Bye.